Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 15th, 1919. The living in the divine will brings the state of security. Continuing in my usual state, I was thinking, how can it be? I am so bad, I am good at nothing. With the privations of my Jesus, I have reduced myself to such a state as to make even the stones cry if it could be seen. And in spite of this, no doubts, no fears, either of judgment or of hell. What a horrifying state mine is. While I was thinking this, my lovable Jesus moved in my interior and told me,
"My daughter, as soon as the soul enters into my volition and decides to live in it, all doubts and all fears depart from her. It happens as to a daughter of a king. No matter how much people might say that she is not the daughter of her father, she pays no heed. On the contrary, she goes on proud and says to everyone, 'It is useless for you to tell me the contrary, to put doubts and fears in me. I am a true daughter of the king. He is my father. I live with him. Even more, his very kingdom is mine.' So among the many goods which the living in my will brings, it also brings the state of security. And since she makes what is mine her own, how can she fear what she possesses? Therefore fear, doubt, hell get lost and cannot find the door, the way, the key to enter into the soul. Even more, as the soul enters into the divine volition, she strips herself of herself, and I clothe her of me with royal garments. And these garments place on her the seal that she is my daughter. My kingdom, just as it is mine, is hers, and defending our rights, she takes part in judging and in condemning others. Therefore, how can you want to go fishing for fears?"
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.